Bazzite. Gesundheit. 43.01. How high tech is that they have two version numbers? Let's have a look at how it's benchmarked. Where do we rank Bazzite? 43.01. So it's pretty much the worst performing Linux distribution. I often see this recommended if someone says they're looking for a gaming distribution. I'm not sure what Bazzite does other than adding Steam bundled in by default. It's running Plasma, which is a heavy resource user, and while it's running Plasma 6, it's not running the latest version, so that's not so bad. It's running KWin with Plasma and SDDM, and the SDDM is up to date, so that's good. Bazzite is based on Fedora, I believe. There you go. 1.6 gigs of RAM usage. I really don't understand what Plasma does specifically, or these... I mean, I guess Plasma itself can run in 578 megs of RAM on Alpine. It's one of the worst performers, but what are they doing to add an extra gig of RAM of usage on Bazzite? Look at the system load on this. Sorry, I'm losing it here. 15. I mean, it's not as bad as some other options, but how did they get the system load to 15? What are they running? Is it Steam? Do they have Steam automatically starting and it does this? This is amazing. So how low is Plasma on Alpine? Sorry, I scrolled too far. So on Alpine, 0.88. What are they doing to get this up to 15? And additionally, 17 gigs of disk usage. 17. On Alpine, 2. So they're adding 15 gigs of something on Fedora. I mean, this is wild. This is Fedora. This is 3 gigs. 17. I mean, are they putting... I shouldn't say that. Hopefully, all of the content they're adding here is legal. And then 93 seconds reboot time. Is this the highest? I don't think anything boots, any operating system, open or closed source, boots slower than that. Yeah, this is the worst. 93 seconds. I don't understand how someone can recommend this operating system when it comes to performance anyways. Especially if someone's system is not the newest. This is just bananas. With any operating system, you can install additional apps, like Steam. It shouldn't be too difficult. Your distribution or operating system will come with some sort of package manager, and you just look up Steam and install it. Most of them should have Steam these days. And then if it doesn't, you can use, FlatHub or Nix, or, if there's an app image. This is just sort of uncalled for. I don't understand. I mean, I'm guessing the people who recommend this haven't actually looked at how it performs, but the information it's available now. This is a hard pass for me. The worst. Oh my, what a Bazzite you have there. Restart. Restart commencing. In T-minus restart now. Make sure that there's a sound when you shut down, because otherwise you won't know you shut down. We've got multiple options in Grub here, because if we didn't, we wouldn't know what to boot to. We have a boot log, and display output is booting. Why is this I want to know why this is taking so long. And what is this screen? I mean, it's great that they have a blinking cursor, so that, this... Well, now the cursor's not blinking. We're at 100% CPU load, and we only have a cursor. Maybe Bazzite is starting up? Maybe this is a good time to talk about Holy C and Temple OS, our savior in Linux. If that isn't your fancy, Hannah Montana might do something for you. Yes, we are still booting. Yes, it still does detect the mouse. Who thinks this is the best Linux distribution that gives you an opportunity to kick your feet back and wait a bit while we boot? We're not there yet. We're still 100% CPU load. It's not until you see that terminal window pop up that we've actually booted in. Oh, there we go. Great job, Bazzite. We knew you could do it. We knew you'd get there in the end. You just had to think you can.